In this video, we are going to show you how to download or get the code of your project in Emergent AI this year of 2026. Now, if you've finished your project, as you can see here, we are done. You look to the upper right corner, there are some options here. You can click code, click preview, or click deploy. If you click code, as you can see here, using the free tier, you can't do this. You can actually just if you are subscribed, you can just click code and there's going to be some very simple instructions on how to download it yourself. But if you're using the free tier and you want to actually get the code itself and just copy paste it to somewhere else, pretty simple. Once you're done, right? Once you're done, so as you can see here, we are done, right? Deploy or run code review. We can do that. But we're not, that's going to take a while. So can you show the entire code for this project? So it's going to show me some code, and the first issue here is going to be this. Like, it's not going to show me the entire code yet, so I needed to say I need the actual codes to copy paste from here. Right. With that said, absolutely here's the code ready to be copy pasted. So again, backend. So all you need to do is just copy everything. There you go. It's actually divided into categories. So backend server, it has backend requirements, backend .env file, your front end app. Just everything is here, right? So you can just copy paste it. You really don't need to copy it if you're trying out the free trial, whether or not the app or website that you created is actually working. So yeah, that is how you get your code in Emergent AI. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.